Hello, welcome to another video. So it has been a while, so it's just about time we started doing some Astro vlogs again. I am at a place called Cold Stone Cut, and it's about just about half hour from Harrogate, less than that. It's a cracking site, and what I'm hoping to do tonight is shoot some Cygnus Milky Way, and then go around here and grab some foreground. And then after that, I'm hoping to put on a vintage lens, which I should show you in a second, an old 400mm that I'm hoping to catch some deep space objects on. And I'm after the Witch Head Nebula in Orion, and I'm also after the Rosette Nebula in Orion. So I'm going to get set up and start shooting for this Cygnus. So let's get on. Right, I just finished shooting about 40 minutes or so. I'm going to have to drop a few of them because car lights went through and ruined, but I've just finished shooting about 40 minutes Cygnus. And my mate Steve's just arrived, and I'm going to drop his Insta down below if you want to have a look at that. And then, yeah, we're going to go for a mooch now, grab some foregrounds. Yeah, it's really, really nice and clear. Astro vlog.
Stack it and lose this lens, aren't we?
I'm so incredibly unhealthy. Oh, I can't use this head torch. Right, up at the top there's a quarry down there. I'm just going to do a pano of it. It looks really cool, so I'm hoping then to stick the Cygnus over the top of it. Should be mint. Yeah, let's crack on. Mint!
Selfie twat.
What a cool
Big bike.
Right, so that's selfies and things done. I'm just debating whether to get on this big bike or not. Probably shouldn't, but probably should as well. And then, yeah, back down the hill, back to the car park. Oh no, sorry, a couple more shots down by the lime kiln, and then over to the car park and start shooting on Orion, which you should be able to see just behind me here. Hoping got an okay shot of the kiln then. Just gonna have a quick mooch around, see if we can find some more foregrounds, and then I'm gonna just get back on the tracker and start trying to shoot some deep space. Should be good.
To be in your vlog.
Oh yeah, you get a link as well. You might even get one new follower.
Wow!
So that's the foregrounds done. Just got a shot there with the kiln with the head torch, and I think it looks pretty good, so I'm happy with that. And now back to the car, set up the tracker, and yeah, start seeing if we can get some shots of Orion. Right, that is me done. Oh, I think I'm steaming up. It was a really good night, but what happens is as soon as I start switching over to shooting the deep space stuff, I always forget to vlog anything, to shoot anything. So all I literally did was try to find the Witch's Head for at least an hour, couldn't find it, couldn't see it at all, and then after that switched over to the Rosette Nebula, did find that and have shot that for about an hour and a half, I think. so I'm hoping that's going to look good. I will stack that and then I will put that at the end of this vid. Hopefully some good photos in this. Some of them looked really good in the back of the camera, and yeah, if the rosette one looks any good, then I'll probably do an editing tutorial on that, maybe. Yeah, cool. Anyway, if you made it this far, I really do appreciate it, and I'll hopefully see you again soon. Take care.